使用深圳市卫科电子科技开发有限公司产品。欢迎使用深圳市卫科电子科技开发有限公司产品。
Oh my God, that racket that was coming over the NUX 2.4 gigahertz wireless guitar system. I couldn't get rid of it. There was no way of isolating it. There was no way of finding out where it was coming from. Hell, it could be coming from my neighbor's basement for all I know. Maybe they found out that, I played really bad with guitar and, they found a way to fuck me up. I don't know. Who knows? So what I ended up doing is picking up the NUX C-5RCs. And these are the 5.8 gigahertz. So unless they catch on to me next door, and these are working pretty good right now. Different type of a shell, a lot newer. Instead of just being all black in a different shape, these have kind of like a silvery, kind of like a metal flake look to them, and the body of them are shaped a little bit different or tapered on the corners. Still has that little way to plug it into like a Strat or kind of keep it close to the body of the guitar if you want to. Still with the rubber bumper on there, and they still talk to each other the same way as the old ones were. If you can't link them, you just push the button on another one. The other ones did that, but trying to link the transmitter and receiver with that signal that was coming through, it just would not work. Also, these come with the same type of a case that the other ones come with. This is like a charging docking system. You plug them into here, just like so, and it'll end up charging these things up. If you choose to charge it up this way, just plug in your USB here. It's got a button on here that shows you how much life the batteries have, or you could sit there and plug them in individually. It comes with a USB-Y adapter in order to plug in both of them at the same time to do charging at the same time. They'll shut off. I'm not worried about them staying on right now. But yeah, what a mess those old ones were. So the 2.5 or 2.4 ones, I don't know what was in the air that it was picking up. I couldn't isolate the signal, and I couldn't find out where it was coming from or being transmitted from. But these guys here, the 5.8s, work really, really nice. So I got a couple of things going on over here. One is the deviling guitar. So here is a look at what it looks like right now. I'm kind of waiting for some of the pinstriping tape to show up so I could finish this thing up and get it assembled and on its way out the door to the owner. I also have another guitar that I picked up that is going to be kind of like another custom, and we'll see what I do with it. It's got an inlay on the neck that has like a vine with the birds on there. I'm going to try to do something to match the neck with the body, see how that works out. It's got an EMG and the bridge position, and neck it's got a Seymour Duncan. And on top of that, somebody ended up upgrading the tuners to a set of Grover tuners, so that's kind of nice. So I also have, possibly in the making, the owner of the Mach 1 wants to send me another guitar body to do some work on. So whichever one shows up here first, if I work on the guitar that I just picked up after I finished Devlin, or if the guy with the Mach 1 that shows up here next, I don't know. So we'll see what happens. I ended up picking up a bunch of stuff. I got more paints, ordered a few more other things, plus I have a giveaway for you guys. So yeah, we're going to take a look at that in a bit. Alright guys, if you like what you see, this is the GOOER GE150. This is the next thing that's going out as a giveaway. Little bit of the specs on this thing, which I'm reading them off. I don't own one of these, so I don't know what it's like. I do have the fuzz pedal though. I do own one of those. You know, the last giveaway that I picked up one for myself. And congratulations to Brian. Now, this is 55 high quality amp models. This is up to 9 effects types, 151 different effects in total, 26 user slots to load your favorite third-party IRs, and 200 preset patches. Also has a programmable expansion pedal, up to 80 seconds of recording time with a built-in looper, headphone output so you can practice in peace, AUX in so you can practice to whatever audio files you like. 40 types of drum and rhythms, 10 metronome settings, and yeah, so this is kind of a nice little toy. So again, this is US mailboxes only, 1 to 2,000. Sorry guys that you know, that are overseas and stuff in different countries. Shipping's a bitch, and I'm not paying for that shipping. So this is will be shipped brand new to you if you win this giveaway. Again, 1 to 2,000. This will be a giveaway that's going to start today, which is the 2nd of March, to the 16th of March. So that's 2 weeks you guys got to kind of jump in on this. If anybody has picked a number that you had in mind to type into the comment area, please fix or change your number. This way there isn't any duplicates. I kind of watch out for that, and some of you guys have been doing the same thing for me, and you know, thanks a lot. So again, congratulations to Brian for winning the fuzz pedal, and good luck to you guys on this one here.